Yum. Yummy fist. Good girl. Yeah. Yum. Yeah. Good morning, sweetie. How you doing? Yeah. Yeah. Good morning. You got a lot of slobber on yourself already. You do? Yeah. Yeah. Have you been drooling for Mommy? Yes, you have. Yeah. Do you want to put your fist back in your mouth? Yum. Yum. Yeah. It's a little early for me to have the camera in your face, isn't it? Just a little? Yeah. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. Don't suppose you have smiles. Do you have any smiles for Mommy? Ribbit. Heather. Heather. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. We do a lot of babbling and chewing on our hands. Yummy. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'll turn off the camera. I'll turn off the camera. I'll do that just for you. I will.